Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Fabric Protocol token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Fabric Foundation is about to building a safe, open and globally beneficial future for AI and robotics, specifically as intelligent machines move out of software and into a real world. At its core, the project focuses on aligning intelligent machines with human intent, making sure AI systems and autonomous machines act is act in ways that are understandable, predictable, and beneficial to people. Public good infrastructure for AI and robotics, supporting open standards, decentralized identity, machine to machine coordination, and governance frameworks. So, no single company or country controls the future of intelligent machines. Research policy and governance, funding, and converging researchers, policymakers, and technologies to address hard problems to likely safety, accountability, and long-term stewardship of AI systems. Real-world deployment, not just theory. The focus is on AI and robotics that operates in the physical world, not just digital models. Global participation and access, ensuring people worldwide can contribute to add benefit from these systems rather than concentrating power in a few institutions. Fabric Protocol token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is not showing yet. Fabric Protocol token will list on Binance Alpha Exchange. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.